Hi everyone, welcome to NanoElearn and back to Python tutorial series. In our previous session, we have learned about different number systems used in Python programming. In today's video, I will talk about how to swap two variables using Python programming with and without using temporary variable. Before that, make sure to subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon to get notified whenever new content is updated. For better understanding on swapping of two variables along with the practical demo, please watch this video completely till the end. Let's get started. Swapping two variables in Python. Swapping of two variables is done in different languages using different ways of implementing it. One common way of doing it is using a temporary third variable to swap two variables. Let us see how this works. We need to assign the value of x to a temporary variable, say temp. Then the y value need to be assigned to x, and then the temp value will be assigned back to y again. With this, the x and y variable values get swapped. How to swap these two variables without using a temporary variable? This can be done with the help of arithmetic operations without using a temporary third variable. Let us try to understand how this works. The first possible way out is using addition and subtraction. Here x is equal to x plus y, then y is assigned a value of x minus y, again x is equal to x minus y again. Using this simple algorithm, the x and y values get swapped. The second possible way out is using multiplication and division operations. Here x becomes x into y, then y becomes x divided by y, then x becomes x divided by y value. With this, it swaps the variable values of x and y. The third possible way out is using XOR swap operation, which works for only integers. Here x becomes x XOR y, y becomes x XOR y again, and x becomes x XOR y. To understand this, we need to understand the truth table of XOR. If we take two inputs x, y and the result, this is how the truth table will look like. When x is equal to 0, y is 0, the result will be 0. When x is 0, y is 1, then the result will be 1. When x is 1, y is 0, then result will be 1. When x is 1 and y is 1, then the result will be 0. So with this truth table operations, we can perform x XOR y operation in all these three steps, which swaps the variable values of x and y. In Python, it's very simple to swap two variables using a simple construct without using a third variable. This is how this works. X comma y is equal to y comma x. That simple it is. Here it performs the rotation operation two times. So with this operation, the x value will be swapped with the y value here. So with this swap, both the values in both the variables get swapped and exchanged here. So these are some useful URL links. Let us try to understand this using a practical demo. For this, I am opening IDLE shell. See, let us see how this works using a temporary variable. This is what I have just explained. I am running this code. You see that the values of x and y get swapped. Now x got the value equal to 7 and y is 6 here. Now let us see how all other possible cases works here. I am considering the case of addition and subtraction. I am running the code. I am saving. You see that the swap operation is performed correctly. X has 7, y has 6 here. I am considering the other two operations too. Here I am considering the case of multiplication and division. Let us say I am running the code, how this works. I am saving the program. Let us see Let's see here the x got the value of 7 and y got the value as 6. Now I am considering the third case, which is XOR swap. Here I am running the code. You see that the x and y value, you observe the values here. X got the value as 7, y got the value as 6. So now the last case, using the simple construct that is used in Python, I am writing the code, that is y comma x. Let us see how this works. Let's run this code. You see that the x got the value as 7 and y got the value as 6. So this is how you can perform swap operation in all these possible cases, with and without using the temporary variable in Python programming. These are some useful URL links, as I already explained. Thanks for watching my video. Happy learning. Have a good day.